Hey everyone, this is Jocelyn from Infinite Uploads. Today we're going to be walking you through one of our new plugin product partners, Document Library Pro from Barn2 Plugins. Let's go ahead and dive into a screen recording showing the process of setting it up with Infinite Uploads. First, let's install Document Library Pro. Click on Add New Plugin on the left side menu in your WordPress dashboard. Select the zip file you download from your My Account area in Barn2. Click Install Now and then activate it. From there, grab your license key from your My Account area in Barn2 and paste it in the Setup wizard. Go through the rest of the wizard, selecting your layouts, other integrations with Barn2 plugins, and more. Let's go ahead and create a document. It's pretty easy to make a new document. We will go ahead and give it a name. Then on the right, we can select File Upload and then Add File. We will upload the two files we will be using for this demo right now. So let's go ahead and do that. But we can only add one file per document. Once we see that is added, we can publish the post. We will click on Add New Document again to add our second document. We will repeat the same steps as I just mentioned. When you installed Document Library Pro, it created two pages, a document library page and a document search page. We will click on Document Library for our two documents. You can also see here that Document Library Pro makes some nice folders on the side of the Pages screen, which is nice. We will check out our media library, which also has folders too, love that. Now, let's install Infinite Uploads. You'll want Infinite Uploads if you have a lot of documents or media. You can offload them to Infinite Uploads to save costs and serve all of your files via our CDN. We can install it by searching for it in the Add New Plugin page, so let's go ahead and do that. Once done, we can click on Connect and run scan. Then, click on Connect and select Add as a new site, and in the storage region you prefer, and connect. Then, Sync Now and Enable. Now all files will be served from Infinite Uploads. Now, let's go back to the Document Library page and see that the documents are being served from Infinite Uploads. And they sure are, you can tell via the URL. Let's make another document and add an image instead of a PDF this time. So we will upload a logo and publish that. We will click on View and can see again the image was directly uploaded to Infinite Uploads. That's it! I hope this brief guide was informative on how you can offload your WordPress media, including PDFs, images, audio, and video files with Document Library Pro to Infinite Uploads.